Food plots are like magnets for deer. They are small areas of land where hunters plant tasty food. These plots give deer nutritious meals, especially during hunting season. Think of it like creating a buffet for deer to enjoy. Food plots help deer stay healthy and strong. A well-fed deer means a successful hunt and quality venison for your table. Food plots are especially helpful in areas where natural food might be scarce. They provide a reliable food source that attracts deer and keeps them coming back for more. Deer love to eat. By planting their favorite foods in a food plot, you can make your hunting area more attractive to them. Different plants grow well in different areas. Clover, alfalfa, and chicory are popular choices for beginners as they are easy to grow. Food plots not only attract deer but also provide them with essential nutrients. This is crucial for their overall health and antler growth in bucks. Pick a sunny spot for your food plot. Deer like to feel safe while they eat, so choose an area near cover like trees or bushes. Clear the area of any weeds or grass. You can use a rake or a small tiller for this step. Loosen the soil to help the seeds grow better. Choose seeds that grow well in your area. Ask your local hunting supply store for recommendations. Scatter the seeds evenly over the prepared soil. Water your food plot regularly, especially when the seeds are first sprouting. Rainwater is best, but you can also use a garden hose. Keep an eye on your food plot and remove any weeds that pop up. Weeds compete with your seeds for nutrients and sunlight. You might need to replant your food plot every year or two. This ensures that there is always plenty of fresh food for the deer. Remember, creating a food plot is a rewarding process. It takes a little time and effort, but the results are worth it. By providing food and a healthy habitat, you'll enjoy a more successful and ethical hunting experience. So, get started on your food plot today and see the difference it makes.